good Christmas Eve, a real good night, and a real good Christmas Day. The timing of the snow. Something I want to talk about, which I've been remiss, is the snow's going to come down hard and be very, very dry and a powdery snow, and it's going to accumulate very quickly. And during the height of this storm, let's say between 2 a.m. and about 7 a.m. That's going to be Friday night into Saturday, okay? During the heart of the storm, visibility could be a mile or 2 miles. That's trouble. That's almost whiteout conditions. So we're going to walk to the wall. Keep that in mind. We call it a fluff ratio, all right? And when you have powdery snow, it can accumulate very rapidly, and visibilities can come down. So it could be in some spots, especially if you get 10 inches of snow, that could be a whiteout condition. We'll see how it all lines up, because this is what you call a micro forecast. It's going to be where the banding sets up. 2.9 inches of snow. So far this month, 3.4 is the normal. High pressure is in. Your Christmas Eve night is good. You can see once again from Fordham to Chinatown to, again, portions of Ozone Park to Classen Point to Corona, everybody holding in the 30s. Now, we move the train, we move it to Christmas Day, and it's going to be clouds first, then sun later, and a very pretty Christmas Day at 44 degrees. Now for tomorrow, a stray flurry, that would be nice if it gets in here, but then we watch the storm and this slices right into the atmosphere and that produces the snow. Again, the heftiest thinking would be 2 a.m. on Friday night or Saturday very early in the morning to, again, let's figure 9 a.m. when the accumulating snow should stop and taper off. European model, 4.4 inches. I think that's the low end. You take a look at the GFS model, 7.5. That is a good swath. I think that's for us. Montgomery, not out of the question. You get a foot. And in the graph model, 7.6 inches. And you see what we're trying to do. We're trying to take all the models, take their strengths, take their weaknesses, composite, and what every weatherman worth their salt has to do is go with their gut and their experience. And the average of these models, plus and minus their weaknesses, says 4 to 8 inches. After that, if it comes down, and it will, the vortex breaks loose, and that snow is going to stay on the ground. 44 degrees, 30 and 25, that's your weather alert. And again, tapering off on Saturday early. That's our hope. Sunday is good, and then the cold air comes in once again. And once it gets down on the ground, everybody, it's going to be here for a while.